In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll walk through how to find the official Binance website using Google, navigate to the Futures section, and open a Futures account from there. I'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along confidently. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Binance and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. What you're looking for is the official site with the address binance.com. Double-check the URL before you click. It should be the exact domain, and you should see the secure padlock icon in your browser's address bar. This matters because there can be ads or lookalike pages near the top of search results. If you're ever unsure, take a second to verify the link before proceeding. Once you've found the correct result, click through to the homepage. When the Binance homepage loads, you may see prompts for language or region. Choose the options that fit you best. Now, locate the Futures section. On desktop, this is usually visible in the main navigation bar, often labeled as Futures, or within a trading or derivatives menu. Go ahead and click on Futures to open the dedicated Futures area. If you're on a mobile device, you might need to open the site menu first to find it. Inside the Futures section, look for the Open Account button. Clicking this brings you to the process of enabling a Futures account. If you're not signed in, you'll be asked to log in or create an account first. Depending on your region and account status, you may be prompted to review a risk notice or complete verification steps before you can proceed. Take your time here. Futures trading involves leverage and can be high risk, so it's important to read any risk disclosures that appear and make sure you understand them. Nothing in this video is financial advice. It's purely a walkthrough of the navigation. If you meet the requirements and agree to the notices presented, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Futures account opening. The platform will guide you and confirm when the account is enabled. A helpful tip: once you're done, consider bookmarking the official Binance URL so you can return directly without relying on search results every time. That's it. You used Google to safely find Binance, navigated to the Futures section, and opened a Futures account from the Futures page. If this tutorial helped, feel free to replay any part to review the steps, and proceed carefully as you explore the platform.